Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently at my friend's house cat sitting this lovely little baby, and I'll be here until I go to Thailand. It looks like I just woke up because I kind of did just wake up. I haven't actually recorded a vlog in super long. I just wanted to do like a super casual day in the life, or maybe a week in the life. Actually, that might be fun. Let's do this entire week because it's almost Christmas and I'm super excited.
And the fire is slowly.
I'm pretty late to the party, but I guess this is my version of Vlogmas.
But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Today is Christmas Eve and I look really tired because I am, but the good news is I have a surprise for Sean. I'm taking him to a planetarium and they're showing a full dome movie, and there's gonna be also a live performance. I sound awful right now, but I'm about to eat some breakfast and then I'm gonna put on some makeup and he should be here by then. If he has no idea where we're going, I'm just gonna give him the address and he'll find out when we get there. Do I still look tired? Tell me I look awake. I need to look awake because I'm so sleepy. I honestly haven't like beat my face in so long and I really want to. I want to look festive. Are you excited? You excited?
Yes.
You excited?
I don't know what to expect, but I'm excited.
Keep your eyes on the road, sir. That's my face.
Tastes awesome.
Yeah. Tastes like museum food. Ooh, the skyline looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm not ready to see you record me. Are we not ready?
No.
Are we ready yet? Can we go inside? Are we ready yet? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, let's go.
The Tilt-A-Eye Theater, which gives everyone a perfect ringside view of the film you're about to see, makes it not safe to come and go during the movie. So if you do leave, please make sure you have all of your belongings.
At your apartment.
Oh no.
Why is it so big?
Oh my god. So what did you think?
That was so fun. It was a really dope experience. I was like, yo, the screen looked crazy. The planets, everything was wild. And it was like best Christmas present ever.
Yay! just a wrapping? Is that just how it's wrapped?
I don't know. I hope not.
That's just how it's wrapped, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, he's just home alone. And I would like something.
You gotta press the button. Press the button.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh my god! That's really scary. I love it. I'm just gonna carry it like this so I don't ruin it. Why? Take a video of your hair because Josh and I did a good job. Wow. Ooh.
And including the dye too.
Ooh. It's like
Look at my shape up here.
new apartment, new you. What are you doing? Here's all of the packages for the sofa. It's gonna be so exciting to build it. Sean's getting the car right now. It's literally 6 degrees. Wow. It didn't take that long to build this.
Yeah, looks weird. This thing.
Yeah.
Over there it does look weird.
Does that look better?
Like when it's disjointed from the thing.
Just because it looks like it's supposed to be
Like this.
He's so cute. Look how long he is. Did I wake you? Sorry for waking you. Flipping over. Good morning. Good morning. Hello friends, it is New Year's Eve. I look kind of crazy, I know. I'm about to finish my face. Well, actually I'm starting my face, but then I'm gonna finish it. And then for New Year's Eve, I didn't really want to go out just full of tourists going to Times Square to see the ball drop, and traffic's awful, transportation's awful, everything's awful. So I really wanted to just stay in with Sean and Josh tonight and have our own little New Year's Eve celebration. Hopefully we get to watch the night of, because we have to finish this mini-series or else it's driving me crazy that I don't know what happens, because we're only on like episode 5. We're so close to the end. So that's the little update for right now. I have this shirt inside out so that I don't ruin it with my makeup, and I gotta start blending before this dries up. Oh no, my highlighter cracked. I'm so sad. It's been in my bag, so it's been like tossed around a lot. So I kind of understand, but so I just did like a simple brown and pink look for the eyes, and then like a mauve-y. It is ColourPop 951. This is like one of my favorite colors. And of course, the ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter, Naked 3 palette. The eyebrows are the e.l.f. pencil. It's actually really nice for $3. You can see how I do my eyeliner on my eyeliner tutorial video. And the blush and the contour is also e.l.f. Hey, so this is my casual New Year's look. I'm wearing leggings because I literally did not pack any like pants. I got this top from Forever 21. These are just Nike training leggings. It's not business casual, it's like party casual. And I just put all of Sean's clothes back on, mainly so that I'm warm and I can just like wear this instead of putting it in a bag for when he picks me up. I really like wearing his stuff. I feel like some of it fits me way better than my clothes fit me. We got balloons. We got The Office play. We got Josh in the kitchen.
We got some crusty lips.
It's almost New Year's. 26 seconds.
So that's huge.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's a
that
ball.
ball. That's the ball. That's the one that's huge. Oh my gosh. 11, 10, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
That wasn't a good New Year's kiss. Happy New Year! See, look at these New Year's kisses. You gave me a weak one. You gave me a, this is my friend from summer camp.